Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will explain the region, wipeout, and helix commands in LusoCAD. A region in LusoCAD is a 2D area that is enclosed. They all have physical properties like centroids. Region objects can be polylines, lines, circular arcs, circles, elliptical arcs, ellipses, and splines. Here we have an enclosed shape comprised of exploded lines. So if we want to convert it to a region, we use the shortcut REG and select the whole shape. We press enter and we now can see that the shape has been turned into one region. An important part of regions is that they have to be enclosed. So if we had a slightly different shape like this one, where neither the circle or rectangle are enclosed, LusoCAD won't let us turn it into a region. But if we complete the shape in this fashion, we can turn the internal shape into a region, although the circle will not be turned into a region since it's still not enclosed. Now we will try the wipeout command. Wipeout helps us creating a polygonal area that acts as a mask, hiding an underlying object under a mask of the same background color. These masks can be turned on and off to hide or show the object underneath. We can find the wipeout command in the draw ribbon. When we select it, we must pick the points of the polygon, which will create the mask shape. Once we draw the mask, we can pick each point and change the shape, and you can see the underlying geometry that remains. Finally, in the same draw ribbon we can find the helix command. We can also type helix. The helix is a 3D shape that starts from a center spiral with an increasing or decreasing radius as it travels in the z-axis, or whichever axis we are working with. It will ask for a center point, then the radius of the base, and afterwards, the top radius. When we switch the view to an isometric one, we can see how the helix starts with the smaller radius and goes up to the top radius as it travels upwards. The command allows us to alter other characteristics of the helix, like turns, height, and twist. And that's all for the region, wipeout, and helix commands. Keep watching to master even more tools and commands in LusoCAD.